And guess what? Today is video 2 in our St. Patrick's Day week celebration. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys, because I want to know what you think of all these videos, okay? Now, we're going to jump right in. Today, we are going to split the atom. No, just kidding. But we are going to split the peppers because we're making jalapeno poppers. All right. Now, first thing you need to do is you need to clean your peppers, wash them, dry them really, really well. Dry them really well. You don't want any extra moisture on there. Then you're going to come in here and you're going to split this from about the top to almost the end. One long split, just like that, okay? Just one slit. And then we're going to come in. I have this cute little spoon that, you know me, got it at a thrift store in a little bundle. And we're going to rake out the seeds and that pulp out of there. Okay, and we're just coming in, see this? I want to keep my pepper intact, right? So I'm scooping all that out. But you're just going to come up to the top of it like that, see? And you're just going to scoop, kind of cut that membrane at the top of that area right there. And I'll show you another one too. But you're just going to scrape all that out. Remember that most of the heat of your peppers is in the seeds. Woo! That's got some kick to it because it's getting in my throat right now. Okay, guys, now we've got all of our peppers split and seeded, and they're ready to stuff. Cheese in. We take our little blocks. We take just a block of mozzarella cheese and kind of cube it up like that. Okay? And you want to fill them pretty full, and then for the ends, to stuff the ends, if you have long, beautiful peppers like these, take the ends, split them in half, and shove them down there in that end, okay? All right, now we're going to continue to do that on all the rest. Guys, we've got our dredging station ready. Our oil is heating. Now you notice that before I started heating my oil, I had all this ready. Okay, so we have our seasoned egg bath, seasoned flour, seasoned panko. So you have to make sure that you add your salt and pepper and different seasonings, and all of that, of course, is in the description below. So you want to have that up and ready. The oil is going to heat at about almost medium-high temperature. Now, if you have a deep fat fryer, have at it. Go do that. I am using a small pan for a reason because I want to control the process, and I do not want it to get away from me before I'm ready to add another pepper. Okay? So that's why I'm doing that. All right. Now, all of our lovely stuffed peppers are here in a row, ready to go. All right. So first they go in for the egg wash. And swish them around in there. This is so fun. It's so fun. All right, then let that drip off a little bit. You always want to keep one hand clean if you can. That's always such a challenge for me, but all right, then into the flour dredge. Off the excess. Then back into the egg bath, the egg wash. Again, drip off the excess, and then into the panko. Now, as they are in the panko, we want to make sure that that panko sticks. So I like to give them just a little bit of a press. See, one of the reasons I like to keep the stem on the pepper, if possible. Okay, I believe our oil is ready. First one in. Ooh, that's lovely. Okay, let's get our next one going. While we're waiting for our last one to get done, and beautiful golden brown. Guys, you can so easily make this gluten-free. Just use your gluten-free flour and your gluten-free panko crumbs. These look so good. We need the perfect green beverage to go with our green jalapeno poppers. What better than green beer? Green beer, 101. And there you have it. Delicious. The green makes all the difference. We've got our green jalapeno poppers and our homemade ranch dressing and our green beer. So we gotta taste this, guys. Oh my word. So good. You guys gotta try that. Oh my goodness sakes. Don't forget to give us a like and a comment and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Hit that notify bell so you can see all the wonderful videos we're uploading for you on St. Patty's Day celebration week. All right? You know what? I'm gonna have you something special. Cheers to you. We'll see you next time. So good.